Okay, if your Timemaster makes this noise,
That's gotta be one of the worst ones I've heard yet.
that is the rear cover making noise. So, if it makes a popping noise, it's either the left or rear wheel. It's the wheel is not round on the back side. So, we're gonna raise this in the air, right? Easiest way. Get it balanced just right. Throw it all the way over. Maybe that weight will help. That'll help a little. Oh, yeah. It's just the only fix for this is to put a new wheel on because the wheel is out of round on the back side. So let's go ahead and take that wheel off. This area right here is not round. It's a little bit egg-shaped, not by much. 9/16. Okay, that does have a washer, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's gotta be there to wear a hole in the cover.
And really don't see where it's wearing. But it sounded like this wheel, did it not?
Yep.
And we don't know. Can you tell?
It's all chewed up a little bit right there.
Okay, the shield no longer pops as we spin. You can see it. Nice and quiet. All we hear is gears against gears. Back the other way. That one was not very out of round, but it was enough. Okay. Problem solved. End of video.